So, hello everyone, my name is Trey and this is my homework about 12 vowel sounds in IPA chart. So, let's start. E, E, E. Beach, beach, beach. Vietnam has a lot of beautiful beach. Meet, meet, meet. I want to meet you now. Teacher, teacher, teacher. My teachers are so enthusiastic. Eh, eh, eh. Give, give, give. Can you give me a book? Live, live, live. When I go gray, I still want to live with my family. Hit, hit, hit. My parents never used to hit me. Oh, oh, oh. Look, look, look. I'm looking forward to hear from you. Cook, cook, cook. My mother always cooks for me. Foot, foot, foot. We came on foot. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Cool, cool, cool. He is so cool. School, school, school. I go to school every day. Shoe, shoe, shoe. I want to buy a new shoes. Ahead, ahead, ahead. The road ahead is blocked. Egg, egg, egg. I like eating eggs so much. 10, 10, 10. My sister is 10 years old. Oh, oh, oh. Pizza, pizza, pizza. Do you like eating pizza? Newspaper, newspaper, newspaper. I read newspaper every morning. Her, her, her. I met her yesterday. Er. Earn. He earns about 10 million dong a month. Earth. The earth is so beautiful. Learn. I learn English every day. Or. Call. I will call you back. Tall. He is so tall. All. I spend all my free time to read book. Cat. I have 2 cats. Have. I have a lot of money. Back. I will be back right now. So, cat. I've cut my hand. Duck. The duck is so cute. Luck. Good luck for you. Arm. My arm is so hurt. bar, bar, bar. I don't want to go to bar in the evening. Store, store, store. There are a lot of stores here. Oh, oh, oh. Lot, lot, lot. I got a lot of money. Wash, wash, wash. You need to wash your hand. Cost, cost, cost. How much did it cost? Finished. Goodbye.